If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create an Other Current Assets account in the Maintain Chart of Accounts window in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain, Chart of Accounts from the menu bar. In this window, assign the account an account ID, a description, and select the Other Current Assets account type. Then save the account. Let's take a prepaid rent Other Current Asset account as an example. Assume you signed a new office space lease for $1,000 per month. Also assume you must prepay 6 months' worth of rent before moving into the space. If using the accrual accounting method, you must attribute expense to the period it is incurred, not when you actually pay it. So you would not want to write a check for the next 6 months' worth of rent and attribute the entire amount to the rent expense account for the month in which you wrote the check, as that does not accurately reflect when the rent expense is incurred. Instead, you use the Other Current Asset account of prepaid rent to show the rent expense as it is actually incurred. To account for this, you must create another current assets account named something like prepaid rent in the Maintain Chart of Accounts window. To then write the check to the landlord for the $6,000 rent prepayment in the Write Checks window and split the amount between the other current asset and expense, open the Write Checks window, select the landlord's name from the Vendor ID dropdown, and then click the Split button at the bottom of the check to open the Split Transaction window. Select the Prepaid Rent account from the first row's Account Number dropdown. In the Amount column, enter $5,000. For the next row, select the Rent or Lease Expense account and enter $1,000 as the amount. This shows the first monthly payment to your Rent or Lease Expense account and shows the amount prepaid for the next 5 months' rent. Then click the OK button to return to the Write Checks window to finish and save or print the check as normal. The next month, you can create a journal entry or memorized transaction journal entry crediting $1,000 from the prepaid rent account and debiting the rent or lease expense account in the period it is actually incurred. This decreases the prepaid rent account each month until the prepayment is used up. The rent or lease expense account then properly shows when the rent expense is incurred. The journal entry is used to record the rent expense for the next 5 months instead of writing a check each month. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.